Hi, today I'm for the Galaxy S23 Ultra and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first we should get the Ampere app from the Play Store, and here now in the search bar let's enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes to agree, pick close and tap to OK in the left down corner. So here now we can see the information about battery temperature, and in my case that's 24 and 7 degrees. So here we can see also more information like the battery health, level, capacity, voltage, our device model, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.